This is KTVO's Good Morning Heartland.
And welcome back. Truman State University accounting and business students are using skills they learned in the classroom to help the community. We have Kelsey Collier from Beta Alpha Psi, a college accounting organization, here this morning to tell us more about their free tax service. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm excited to be here.
Well, thank you so much for coming on. So first of all, this program or this service that you're providing is through VITA. So explain what that stands for.
Yeah, VITA stands for Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, and it's a program put on by our organization, Beta Alpha Psi, and we do free income tax return preparation for any member that has moderate to low income in the Kirksville community, as well as Truman students.
And how long have you been doing this for the community?
We've been doing this for about more than 10 years. We've been doing it for quite a while.
Wow.
Yeah.
And the feedback you've been getting from people is positive since you've been doing it for so long.
Right, and we've been able to update our process quite a bit. It's more efficient and more accurate, and we're really excited about it.
All right, so let's talk about the importance. Why do you feel that it's important to offer this free service for not only Truman students, but for community members in Kirksville as well? What does that do for you guys?
It's beneficial for us because we get to learn so much about what we're learning in the classroom, and we get to apply it into a real-life situation. We get to really grow in our professionalism. We have one-on-one interaction with clients, which really helps us. But it's beneficial to the community as well because this is a necessary service that needs to be provided, and we're able to do it free of charge. So it really makes an impact and a difference on the community.
Perfect. So let's talk about what people need to bring if they want to come and stop by and get their taxes done, so that way they're prepared. They don't have to go back home to get something. So what do they need to bring?
Right. First of all, you need to bring a copy of your Social Security card as well as your spouse's Social Security card and all of your dependents. A copy of your Social Security card is okay, but we need the actual card. Mm-hmm. And if you want to e-file your return, your spouse will need to be there to be able to e-file it. Mm-hmm. And then just all the usual documents, your W-2s, your 1099s, any interest or dividend income.
Okay. And how long does the entire process take when somebody arrives?
That's a little bit of a hard question to answer because we do have waves of busyness and
mm-hmm.
And we do have some slow periods. So if we are having a slow period, we can probably get you in and out in 30, 45 minutes. But if we are busier, it could take up to 2 hours or so, but we do match your return based on the complexity, so we can't give a very clear answer because we may need to wait for a more qualified volunteer to ensure an accurate return.
And that what you say about that is that you actually have somebody else come and check your work before you actually submit it. So
right, we have an extremely thorough review process. It goes through 4 different steps in the process. Our faculty advisor is Professor Alan Davis, and he matches each return to a person that's qualified to do it. And then we have graduate students that will look over it, and then another set of graduate students will also look over it.
Fantastic. And so we have only 2 more times that we can do this year before the actual filing season is over. When are those 2 days that are available?
Right. It's the next 2 Saturdays. It's March 22nd and March 29th from 8 to 3 in Violet Hall 1424.
Okay. And what we'll do is we'll post everything on our website, information, what they need to bring, and where they need to go on Truman State. Thank you so much, Kelsey, for coming on. I appreciate it.
Thank you. I had a good time.
And we'll be right back.